If you have one of these front load high efficiency washers and it won't drain the water out, let's say you've ran the spin and drain a couple times but there's still water sitting in there, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Down here on the front of the washing machine you'll see a little door. We're going to pry this door off. You can use a flathead screwdriver. You can also use like a little butter knife or a putty knife, something to pop this down and this door off. And now we're going to need to unscrew this cap. But when you start to unscrew the cap, water is going to start to drain out. So if you have a pedestal, the easiest thing is to open the pedestal and put a container right under here to catch the water. Now you can go ahead and pull this straight out. And this one's not very dirty at all, but yours is probably going to be full of lint. Could be some metal shavings, could be some mud. Whatever it is that's clogging this up and preventing your washing machine from draining. You can stick a paper towel inside there as well and clean all of that out. Once you've cleaned out your filter trap, simply go ahead and reinsert and turn this clockwise and tighten it back up. It's best to take that filter trap out about once a year and clean it out. It's going to catch all kinds of junk from your yard, maybe from where you work, and it's going to wind up clogging up, and then your washing machine's not going to drain. Once you've got it all cleaned out, put back together, congratulate yourself on saving yourself a service call to any type of plumber or appliance technician. Hope this was helpful to you, and thanks for watching.